Hi! In front of me is VIVO X60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Vivo device. First of all, access settings. Then you need to scroll down, from here, select privacy and go into permission manager. Over here, pick one of your phone's features like location and pick one of your apps like maps. Then select one of those options by clicking at the chosen one. Allow all the time, allow only when using the app, ask of a time or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back, I can see that maps gained access to this device location. But you can also just tap on one of your apps, select see all maps permissions over here and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!